Hello guys and welcome back to another video. Today we're playing Cluster Truck. I've played it in the past. It's a brilliant game. And yeah, let's just get straight into it. It's a really nice game. If you guys don't have it already, you should really buy it. It's like £2 or £3, I don't know. Let's play Holiday, shall we? Right, let's start from level 1. Let's go all the way up to like level 10-ish. Level 1. God. Wait, should I turn up? Wait, let me just turn up the volume. Alright, the volume should be turned up now. Oh, God. God, no! This is so unbelievably hard. I think sprint is hold down the RT. No! This is so hard. Alright. Land on. Brilliant. Oh God, there's so much trucks. Ah! No! My goodness. Ah! No. Land. Land it. Land it. They're all just honking their horns. Right. I believe this will take me to victory. Well, it ended up breaking my ankle. Right. Come on. Really fast. Come on. Supersonic speed. Right. God. That's not supersonic speed. Well, what if I go to one of these cars? Yeah, I'm going to try and go to one of those cars. Oh, I can't reach them in time. Take me to victory. Oh, God. Phew. Right. Yeah, passed. Oh, no. Help. Oh, I was so close. I almost won there. God. Whee! Oh, what an airtime. But that's not good. That is not good indeed. Right. Oh, God. Oh! God! Why does it just get stuck? What if I just stay here in the back? What if I just stay in the back? Backflip! Oh, God. Front flip. Where am I going? I believe you will take me to victory. Take me to victory! Oh, God. Whoo! It did take me to victory. Hey! That was really hard. Alright, let's go on to the very next level. Level 2 on Christmas. Christmas 2. Oh, I remember this level. This was this one's so hard. There's like a whole bunch of rocks that come tumbling down. Double jump. Oh, God. Help! God! Whee! Oh, God. Let me just see the rocks. I'm just going to see the rocks. It's probably going to be hilarious. They're going to start tumbling down. And yep, there they are. Oh, now I'm nice and safe. Oh, look at all those trucks. Oh, look at that truck. I would have died. Guaranteed. I might die now because I'm in a hole. Oh, God. Just take me to victory. Those cars really just banged me into place. And that car's going the wrong way. That level was kind of hard, but it was easy because I stayed back. But now I'm actually going to go forward. Oh no, not the boulder level. Don't hit me. Don't hit me. Don't you dare hit me. Don't you dare. Don't you dare. Oh God. God. Ah! Go. I made it. I clutched it up first go. Oh my goodness. That was so terrifying. Oh yes. The candy cane like type of level. Oh. Can you duck? Oh wait no. Oh. I remember now. Oh well that didn't work. Basically you just have to basically. Guess in the comments down below and we'll see if you're right. The real way you're meant to do it is, if I just get up to it. Right, I'm gonna take my time. The real answer is go down on the hood. If you got that correct, comment down below if you did. Right. Now this is the hardest part because you never know when like going up or down, so you don't know how high you really jump. Did you hear that little crunch? I really broke my ankles then. Right, jump, jump, jump. Right, down on the hood. Right, down. Oh God, what a jump. Oh, I definitely overjumped that. I don't think I should overjump that much. Just normal jump these, but then when you really need to, don't jump the thingy. Oh God, I got in between them. Right, take your time. God. Oh, this is so hard. Right. I ain't risking it. I'm staying still. Right, now I can do some nice jumps. Some nice good old jumps. Oh no. That's so annoying. Right. Oh no. I'm so close. Right. No. Oh. Wait, I remember the first time I ever played this level, I was trying to jump through the middle of the planks. So stupid. Right. Jump! Oh! 469. I did such a big air jump. 67 air time. Right. No more messing around. I'm gonna complete this level. Oh my God, that was so scary. Right, so. Oh God, that van almost fell over because the wheels were just off. Oh my goodness. Well, they did fall off. Yes, the finish. Thank you, that was so hard. That's a good score. Right. Level 5. The last level of this video. It's so stormy, but all I need to do is jump. That's easy. Oh no, not the laser level. Then I have to like hide here or something. Nope. Wait, oh, I have to hide on the back, don't I? Yep, that's what I have to do, alright. So you just wait until the perfect time. Then get back. Oh, I think I just completely send it. Just absolutely jump forward. Just go. Just absolutely send it, Charlie. Oh, it's so big. What if I just did that? Will I still die? Oh my goodness. Well, that works, didn't it? I'm going to try that again. Because it ended up doing pretty well. Well, that didn't. No way. Oh, I know how to do it now. I just have to literally, absolutely full send it and dodge. Or do I just have to stay still? If I fully... Oh my goodness! Stay still. They won't notice you. They won't notice you. Hopefully. Okay, I think I know how to do it. Right. All I need to do is I need to be really, absolutely, so careful. So I dodged the first one, and that was cool. See, that's how I dodged that one. And now, the next one. Is... Oh my god. No! Okay, you actually do have to dodge it. Right. You do have to dodge it. Oh god, my legs. I don't know how I did level 3 first try. Yes, what a dodge. Right, now it's this one. Did I dodge it? Oh my goodness. Go! I did it! Finally! Oh my goodness. Guys, thank you so much for watching. There'll be parts, so we'll do more Cluster Truck. I'll see you guys next time in the next video for more content. Like and subscribe and hit the notification bell. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!